Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by choosing the folder to compress and checking its size so you know your goal. Open your compression tool and select the preferred archive format. This affects speed and ratio, so pick 7Z or RAR for best size reduction. Once done, set compression level to normal or ultra depending on time. Make sure to enable solid archive if many small files exist. You'll also decide whether to split output into parts and include or exclude temporary files to avoid wasted space. Now you configure details that control how much the folder shrinks and how long it takes. Increase dictionary size and choose LZMA or LZMA2 for better compression. Make sure multi-threading is enabled to use CPU cores. If files are similar, enable solid archive to dramatically improve ratio. Once set, exclude caches, logs, and large media you don't need. Compress and monitor progress. If encryption or a password is required, add it now because it changes archive structure and performance. After compression finishes, you should immediately test extract a few files to verify integrity and confirm the effective size reduction. If the archive is too large, rerun with stronger settings or remove bulky files. Conversely, lower compression if speed matters. Make sure to keep the original until verification passes. If errors occur or the archive is corrupted, try repairing with the tool's repair feature, recompress with a lower compression level, or recreate the archive after scanning for problematic files and bad storage sectors.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.